Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with ZTradex, and today we're looking at the analysis on the currency pair, the European currencies to the Danish krone. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis. Then we move right down to technical analysis, which will be purely what will be seen on the chart. Now we can see that Denmark shares higher at close of trade, and OMX Copenhagen has been 20 up 0.47%, with the Denmark equities higher at the close of Tuesday as more gains in the oil and gas, consumer goods, and chemical sectors have propelled shares a bit higher. Now, at the close of the Copenhagen, the OMX added 0.4%. The biggest gainers of the session, of course, on the OMX were the AP Moeller, Maersk, and which rose about 5.35%, points to trade at 114,670 at the close, and the AP Moeller Maersk added 4.79%, or let's say about 660 points to end at 14,430. And Vestas Wind Systems AS was up 4.71%, or up at about 5.30 points to 116.70 in late trade. The biggest losers, of course, included Ørsted AS, which lost 1.47%, or 3.20 points, to trade at 213.90 in late trade, with Pandora AS declined 4.67, with more points being looked into at the advancement. We advanced in stocks. We are outnumbered falling ones by 73 to 46, and 22 ended unchanged on the Copenhagen Stock Exchange market. So Danish krone is really powering in the markets, and the European currency hasn't been able to subdue it in the recent times. And we're expecting a push up to at least this resistance at 7.4633, and maybe a probable down or pullback to the 7.4615 axis. So if we make an entry at this point and let our trade run down to this point, we're looking at nothing less than 14 to 30 pips. And if it has to extend down, we're looking at near 70 pips thereabout, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, the European currency to the Danish krone. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.